Hi guys, welcome to another video on our channel. As you can see, this truck 151 is industrial near what direct cleaning. The exterior of the vehicle is dirty and covered in dirt and grime. Before we proceed further, we would like to express a gratitude for joining our channel. We consistently upload new videos every week, so please ensure you have the notification bell turned on and stay updated on every مسألة or latest content. First, for enhanced cleaning, we apply a foam and detergent to the tires. In the next step, we utilize water pressure to effectively eliminate all contaminants for the exterior and surface of the vehicle. After completing the car wash, we proceed to apply foam and detergent on the vehicle. We genuinely appreciate your feedback and we try to hear your thoughts on the video. If you've been enjoying the content thus far, we kindly request you to consider subscribing to our channel and clicking the notification bell icon to stay updated with rich content. After 3 hours of direct revolve, we have successfully restored the truck 151 to its original condition. All door stands have been completely eradicated from the cost surface. If you enjoyed the video, please consider subscribing to our channel and turn on the notification bar. We're looking forward to see you in the next video.